Mold on timber floors can be a sight for sore eyes, not to mention a health hazard. But fear not, there are effective ways to tackle this unwelcome guest. Let's start with a simple yet powerful ally in the fight against mold: distilled white vinegar. Its acetic acid content is excellent for disrupting mold growth. Just mix 1 part vinegar with 1 part water and apply it to the affected area. Let it sit for an hour, then wipe clean. For persistent patches, a second application might be necessary. When vinegar doesn't cut it, it's time to bring out the big guns. A bleach solution can be your next step. Mix 1 part bleach with 4 parts water and apply it to the mold. Ensure the room is well ventilated when using bleach. It oxidizes mold molecules, effectively killing the spores and hindering future growth. Remember, bleach can discolor your timber, so test it on a small, inconspicuous area first. For those who prefer a more natural route, tea tree oil is a fantastic option. Its antimicrobial properties make it a formidable foe against mold. Mix 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil with 1 cup of water, spray it on the mold, and don't rinse. This solution not only tackles the current problem, but also helps prevent future growth. Another natural solution is hydrogen peroxide. Apply a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution directly to the mold, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then scrub away the remnants. To keep mold at bay, consider using mold and mildew-resistant paints. These paints create a protective film that resists water absorption and contains antimicrobial properties. And don't forget the basics. Fix any leaks promptly, use proper insulation, and ensure your space is well ventilated. These steps are crucial in maintaining a mold-free environment. With these tips, you can reclaim your timber floors from the clutches of mold. Whether you choose vinegar, bleach, or natural alternatives like tea tree oil or hydrogen peroxide, you have the tools to restore your floors to their former glory. And with preventative measures in place, you can keep them looking their best. If the mold situation is severe, don't hesitate to call in a professional. Remember, a clean home is a happy home.